come along with me as I get ready today. I have 4 brand new affordable beauty items. 2 of them are so good and 2 of them are ugh. All right, I got my hair pinned back and apparently not well, but I'm so glad that you're here today. If you're new here, my name's Dawn. I'm 56 years old, and I'm here every week with a brand new video for women over 40 and women over 50 who just want to look and feel our very best. 4 brand new affordable beauty items. I'm going to go ahead and put my makeup primer on because the very first one that I want to show you is foundation. If you like a little bit lighter foundation and you want something with some skin benefits in it, I think you're going to like this. This is the Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour skin tint. You want to really watch your labels these days. A tint, a serum, CC cream, think lighter coverage. Almost all of them, including this one, is buildable, but think lighter coverage. If you really want a more medium or more toward a fuller coverage foundation, those products are not going to be for you. This Maybelline Superstay 24-hour skin tint also has vitamin C in it, and I'm absolutely loving it. This comes with a little dropper, and I'm going to put it on the back of my hand and pick it up with a brush and apply it that way. This is definitely more on the buildable side. I have used some that were skin serums, skin tint, things like that were buildable, but a little less so. I really find that to be true with this, or I should say, I really find it to be true with this that it is definitely buildable because you can apply a little, maybe go in a different light and go, no, I really like this, or I think I need a little bit more. The coverage on this, I really feel is terrific. It really does cover. I have a sunspot right there, and it just covered that right up. And again, this is billed as a light to medium coverage, and just by applying it just a little heavier, you do get more coverage. It's beautiful, and I love that it has vitamin C in it. With maturing skin like ours, you cannot have enough vitamin C. This does say it's 24-hour coverage. Clearly, do not keep your makeup on for 24 hours. But we do have those occasions where maybe we have an event, maybe we just have a really long day and you need beautiful coverage all day long. I have found that to be true with this. I just think this is a beautiful coverage, absolutely buildable. So if you are looking for something that can be a light coverage one day, can be a medium coverage the next day, I think you're going to like this. I felt like also the color examples that they give were pretty accurate. It really showed that I needed 120, worked out perfectly. I love it. And if you're ever not sure, I'm giving you the link down in the description below to Amazon. Okay, I find Amazon to be a lot cheaper than most retailers in most cases. Look at the color swatches that they give you. Then go to maybe the Maybelline site, maybe the Ulta site. Look how they display the colors and kind of use those examples in the different websites, and then go find the cheapest place. But I found the colors to be pretty accurate, so I'm using 120. I definitely give this a thumbs up. The next 2 makeup releases that I'm going to share are both mascaras, and I'm going to go on record right now as just saying I'm doing this to take one for the team because I hate both of these. Now I realize hate is a really strong word. I have been using both of these for about a week or 2, kind of alternating to see if, gosh, maybe they'll just grow on me, but nope, it's official. I don't like either one of these. Both of these mascaras are from Essence. If you've never used an Essence mascara, Essence makes one of them is viral. One of them is the Lash Princess. I think it's called Lash Princess Mascara. And I have heard so many people say such good things about it. And I'm telling you, the Lash Princess, I've heard so many people say how wonderful it is. It's under $5. And I've tried it several times thinking that, okay, maybe I got a bad bottle. Maybe mine wasn't good. I'll wait another year. Somebody else says how wonderful it is and you have to try it, and I'll get another bottle of it, and nope. And these two are no different. Lash Without Limits, and this is the extreme lengthening. Now, if this were a first impression video, like I'm applying this for the first time, I would say, oh my gosh, I love this. The lengthening on this, fantastic. Problem is, at the end of the day, in about 6, 7, 8 hours, it's all over down here. It's all flaking. It's falling off. It's fading. I would not buy this again. This side, it says, Bye Bye Panda Eyes Smudge Proof Volumizing Defining Mascara. Let me just say, if you use this one first, you absolutely know why the next one is called Bye Bye Panda Eyes. My issue with this is it is smudge proof, it is flake proof, it does define and lengthen, but then it fades. After about hour 4 or 5, my mascara just completely faded off. So it's not smudged, it's not flaked, it's just pretty much gone. So my experience with these two Essence mascaras is pretty much just like the Lash Princess. And I didn't like either one of them. Let's chat now about something brand new, and it's for your hair. I cannot tell enough people about this. I love this so much. This is the Garnier Fructis Hair Filler Plus Bonding. If you've ever heard of or maybe used Olaplex, this is kind of their version of it. So this is a whole system. You've got the shampoo, the conditioner, the pre-shampoo, bonding and repair treatment, and then your after shampoo hair serum. So it's a 4-piece set. All 4 pieces under $40. Each one of these retails around $9. They do have this in, I think it's curly hair, colored hair, and strengthening. Obviously, I have color treated hair, so I've got the color repair set. And here's what you get in a nutshell. This is the hair filler and bonding. This is what I started with. So I have used this several times now, and you put about a quarter size amount in your hand. First, what you do is wet your hair down. So I generally will kind of go in the bathroom, put my hair in the sink, wet it down a little bit, take a towel, kind of, you know, get the bulk of the moisture out, put a quarter size amount, maybe a little bit more of this. Really apply it to the ends. I take a little clip and I pull it up and I put a clip in it, and then I kind of walk around, finish my coffee before my shower, figure out what I'm going to wear, and after I have had this on for 5 or 10 minutes, I get in the shower. You rinse it out, you use the Color Repair, or in my case, I use the Color Repair shampoo, just like normal. Rinse that out, then I use the Color Repair conditioner, just like normal. After I get out of the shower, I use the hair filler ceramide, the Color Repair serum. I only need a pea-size amount of this just in the ends. I comb it through and then I blow dry my hair, and then oftentimes I will put another pea-sized amount of this in my dry hair before I use my flat iron, curling iron, whatever I'm going to use. So the 4 of these all work together to heal your hair from the inside out. Obviously, we still need to get our hair trimmed, cut those dead ends off, but I'm telling you, my hair feels the best it has felt in such a long time. Cannot say enough good things about these. The only other thing that I will add is, guess what? All of these are sulfate free, paraben free, phthalate free, and I think, yeah. So this one is also silicone free. So good for you. Healing your hair from the inside out. You get the entire 4-piece system. If you want to get them individually, I started with this one and I used this several times before I got the shampoo and conditioner. So good. And if you have looked at or you have used or you have heard of the Olaplex, for the $40, you can pretty much just get like 1.5 of the Olaplex. Getting so much bang for your buck, so good for your hair. I really think that you will love this. Speaking of things that I'm absolutely in love with, I wanted to show you the other side of my jacket. It is completely reversible. For you, so good, under $50. If you enjoyed this, I would love it if you would like this video. Come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. Say hi over there. Go out today and be blessed and do your best, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.